Hi, you are welcome once again to my channel, wherever you are watching me from, being it TikTok, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, IG, wherever you are welcome. My name is Perpetual Sakada. If today is your first time here, and kindly subscribe or follow me, and let's be in touch. Now, how do you understand the concept of being available for someone? How do you understand it? Kindly leave your comments in the comment section below. Now let's dive into the real discussion.
Now, I think most of us are getting this the wrong way. We feel being available for somebody or being there for someone financially is all that we have to do. Or when we are available for somebody financially, we are doing everything for the person. I understand the fact that money is everything, but let's not get it twisted. Money cannot buy everything. Money cannot buy emotional, psychological health. Money cannot buy you peace of mind. Money cannot buy you joy. To some extent, it can buy you happiness, but it can't buy you joy. So it is not enough to be available for somebody financially. That is great. That is a good thing. But then it is priceless, and it is considered a blessing to be available for somebody emotionally. To know what is going on with a person and journey with a person through it all. Our parents, or most parents these days, I feel are getting this wrong. We provide, or we feel that our children should be fine, perfectly fine, based on the fact that we are providing for them financially, or we get them their material needs. The fact that you put your child in the best school, you transport your child to school in the best car, you get the child all the material needs he or she needs in life, doesn't mean the child is 100% well mentally. Most parents provide for their children 100%, but are available for their children, let's say, just 10%. We don't know what is going on in the child's life, how the child's psychological health is, how they think, what they are going through, the changes that occur in their system, how they take it, how they understand it, and all of that. And this does not only affect parents and children, it affects we the elder ones too. Talk of elder siblings only providing for their younger siblings financially and not being available for them emotionally. And vice versa. Friends, families, and what have you. We are getting the concept wrong. Even if we are not getting it wrong, we are not doing something right. And we have become so busy with ourselves so much that we are no more available for people emotionally. But that is the most important aspect of every human being. If you are not sound emotionally and psychologically, your physical outpour becomes a mess. It is a blessing to be there for somebody emotionally. So amidst all the busy schedules of our lives, amidst all the financial help we give people, regardless of the relationship, let us try to be available for people emotionally, because people are going through a lot and are not talking about it, not because they don't want to talk about it, but they see that those around them are not available emotionally. We can save a lot of people from having psychological and mental issues if we try our best to empathize and sympathize with them and not only help them financially.
I believe to some extent you agree with me that being available for someone is not only through the financial concept. Well, I hope to hear from you by reading your comments on what you think on what I have said so far. Until next time, see you. And don't forget, kindly subscribe.